Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lavinia, and today's vlog is about me and my family going for an outing, like so it's cameraman trekking naman but then yeah, something like that. So we're going for an outing to Sung Valley. Then may thought your holidays. So I am back home. Tugasni one yung then yashti lagi. Aku ahal làm ra luôn. Tại ông kêu lagi chết để Sung Valley nè. Tại tại khi lấy cái chất lại. Đây con Kim. Để chít hà nó tự ông lục bề này hắm lại và chít tặng tới nó chít rất ngặt. Nó bị đau thật. Cái chất sen tặng của exercise about what everyone is stressed out di một come to create hay yung and some of them when I'm create like not exercisingแต่ก็งานแหละ I go to college every day then I'm exercise so lại thế ní with the mindset dầu mình exercise cái ông đánh nhẹ lên này nè Bada.
Hi guys. I love you.
She loves you. Really pet so. Nga to cha e bet chedin do nhiều pet.
Nga lẽ. Nga tao bây giờ
Để chiều nhiều yo khi để lệ mình tu rõ xí. Tại cái video được có đam đam.
How good how sedang. Bye.
No, how good no sedang.
No. How good.
Now what's sedang? Wow. Hay đi.
Play down the sea, baby.
Guys, if you thought bang apa dah?
Oh, yeah.
Apa dah? Apa hai?
Hi.
Hi. This is my grandpa. This is my mom.
Lavinia grandfather. Lavinia grandfather. I'm from Nepal.
Yes.
They're from the Meghalaya.
Yes.
I'm from.
See, you continue yang lari kejap. Then it's there. Mama đang dạ được cái kiri. Nhiều rạ tiền đi em tiền kiri nhiều lagi. Được quay thao ini. Hi guys, the halfway of quay thao ấy tăng nhẹ hả? Để ta bang ha, ada sedang chip. So, your update when if you wanna quay thao, but then if you thought so worth it. There. Let's go. Nappy. Hi, Jenny. Hi. Hello. Kata tak mem keri deh. Terlai bani deh kejap sih. Deh. Jen poi jen. So, baik ni kemudah. Yang betul.
Hi.
Tak pier go. Tak bam go. Era.
Bon, istini.
Dara agi ibam hanga te ongi kitegi kifam angi ngao tak wam sniao gi lama so pila tak wa ang pi sniao pi lama have vlog yung previously te comments ma boy thao đi re
Yung le khang sabi. Để sabi de.
te Baca ni pa.
Kabar la lai ka sa. Ko bay ga.
Kawan senyap pi. Senyap mo bam.
Sounds enjoyable.
Tới lại không hả?
That's
Làm
very.
tin là
Sung Valley is the good.
là anh kiểu là
Sung Valley.
The farmer area.
là do
It's a good area.
Dia dah.
Abang ha, nya cit ha.
How im cái danh
Then the view you bang.
That's right.
Ủa chị tới đi thằng lúc kia. Còn như
Penat. Saya ni pure oksigen apa? Entah. Timut lepo. Itu lepo. Cities lepo. Really like village dia.
Malam kata lupa. Kami.
Ada lại mong apa? Sao bang em? Kata sunlight. Sao The chất sung. Ang chat sung.
Chắc.
Dậu. Bây giờ nào lại khổ rộ sang y thao lại. Oh shit.
Bây giờ
I came into accident with bushes. Paham ko dun nga. Yo ori. Le. Pa. Pa. Ngarat nga no.
Giờ like cái này dụng được.
Sing mo daw? Em mabiso la. Sing mo daw. Chat sa akin.
Thầy đâu thấy được.
Raig day ko. Yaw chat ki chalom.
Apa yang ngapi?
Te.
Nó không nghĩ là phải.
Ngarat kaya ka tangan. Tayong tamo po eh.
Hey, hey, give me see again.
Talaw di kadang gi. Kate, boy ha, trilo. What I'm saying now. So the last time I came here, it's with my best friend. Ano? Hitipor, lockdown sa hitipor, corona. Ang hitipor, darap lamig, bro. Te, puring hai, talay chini. Now, mami, with the best friend na. Lai, chundoy. Iti bisa chundoy. Okay. So, tuloy. Kita ada lagi. Dia duduk ah. Kau slow duduk lại. Xì tay tap mặt đầu lại. Kau nôn lại sini. Không, slow orang. The boy had three.
Sama tanda nak ia lepas kita. Sama tanda song. Hai pa.
Kau nak kuat yang pagi.
Yang pas.
Nganti bawa yang pagi.
Selalu enggak.
Kata kulek bami. Wala pile kung bakit ay betul ba? Kahit mauli, yung bago.
Ngambil tak?
Sabi ko niya, pero ako ba yung wala sa ano?
Boleh dah.
Yun ang tuwing hindi ba? Hindi kayo pa niya ano. Ani.
Okey.
Chum, semua sini. Banza. Bas. Sama sedang apa? Benar. Kirakat. Dia bang. Ayo dah. Salat.
Halo.
Cupring. Buat aku cupring bisa. Review tas. So.
Dia bang kedang kenang. Begam.
Review. Bang Jaha. Wek kuat haram ni. It's my craving for months. Tangwa. Kata kedang. Kuat siap. Kuna. Okay. I'll update you later. Bye. Hi guys. After the live ni, jai hari betagi mesti. Kadang sama, aku nang the only one. Jor berewu kuat, benar. Tidak ada pun lah. Tadi masih pun bet. Kadang sama tenang dia ulai. Hari, tiap. Dan itu, bet. Dua orang menakut yang baru. Ngadam bahau rabak. Yau. Dam bahau rabak yau. Lại ra. Tự cái yang này sẽ được kít. Này thì đang ngài lại được tí. Đã tê đang sport hơi đâu lại. Đang ngài. Đã kuriya đi. So I'll update you later. What's gonna happen. I know I'm gonna be so tired. Hi guys, the boy about to be
Stop. Hi guys. Katanya
Si bahak lagi bro. Buki chua. Si bahak lagi bro lagi dikit. Tiim nang delay chakri. Hi guys, welcome back. Kater emma honi riat tang surak sa demi suraki. The chang hara ka reason tu tangwa. Yung ham. Tangwa, boy hết tài nong hạt trừ tờ riết ta quả gitu here quả gila dikit jet. Hari gi ngang ambin na sala dikit jet. Chang de keri. But then boy riat ang gi nga here bo mo na. They left me. I'm being left behind, stranded in the middle of this jungle. Cement. Kakari cekamat em go makian pet uday pet because he's exercising. Apa kamat emu. But then kiwa bon sa din do gi. Kibat na nga semen ini. Oh my goodness, it's miat hata ini nature. Like it was so good, so emitting part hay tai so it had sla like it giving this what spring vibe aesthetic ha chandur but then nga na one tempoi thao de yoมันจะมันเป็นลายอย่างเงี้ยแต่ลายเป็นอะไรก็จะได้เนี่ย I don't know anymore you guys must step down college ya the tip how will I survive tomorrow the tip at that point in me my whole body will ache as usual but then must step down college ya obviously I'll be sleepy in class but I think this day is gonna be worth it, you know. It's worth it exploring nature and being part of it is like once a while it's good. So, update for you guys what the one wala sa men the one pa one thogi nga
Navi
tiyang igubon đang chừng ai đang cười
đang rồi
đang chừng ai
Festing ta
thì ai suruh right coba poy kerih ini thì ai suruh
Hi
itu sama hati pitan ni em hay tai semen kata tes neo kamu em
Qua cái jeep ấy vẫn sao được
chứ ta coba ha
cái bao vào đó
sao em mau minum pak klo krik yang gigi itu ibet na pak no hina pak nawa mi degi
beda na ido
Wai kin
di sana boleh
tiny feet step kan menupoy ya sangat guys I thought I end the video but then there is so much drama going on, like not drama really, but as you have seen, Pa came back to pick us up by foot because I don't know, we were late according to them. I mean, this is a big hill to climb. Who will climb it so fast? I am tired on the other hand, but then he found me. We're waiting for all my cousins and everyone behind. Then now he is back. He's going back there and finding them. I don't know. He just roam around and I'm here tired. I guess he find them by now so we can head back. I am so exhausted, like extremely exhausted right now. But thank God that today is not extremely hot. You know, yesterday is extremely hot. Like the heat of the sun is so much. Like, I don't know how to explain to you. It is just too much to bear. You can't even sit outside for a minute. But today, it was good. Even though it's still hot, but we can bear it. And now, yeah, they came. They came back actually. Now we're gonna head back. Look at them, you guys. They actually came back. And that little one is crying. I don't know what happened. Pa found them and brought them back. Oh my goodness.
idea.
So now we will head back home. After this long walk, we're gonna head back home and properly take a bath and sleep and rest for the day. Tangwa em di wala extra JB. So I think I'll end this video here. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you haven't, so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, comments down, let it go up if you want to. And then yeah, recommend me what kind of videos you want to watch. I'll try making it for you guys. And yeah, I love you.